Movie camera title: How the Pyramids Were Really Built for Over 4,000 Years. The Great Pyramid of Giza has stood as one of the most astonishing achievements in human history. But how did the ancient Egyptians actually build it? Contrary to popular myths, aliens had nothing to do with it. Neither did massive slave labor. Archaeologists now believe the pyramid was built by tens of thousands of skilled workers, not slaves, who were paid in food, beer, and housing. These workers used a combination of simple tools and brilliant engineering. Massive limestone and granite blocks, some weighing over 70 tons, were hauled using wooden sleds and lubricated sand. Recent discoveries show that water poured on sand reduced friction, making it easier to drag these huge stones. Ramps, both straight and spiral, were likely used to transport stones to higher levels. Some believe internal spiral ramps were built inside the pyramid itself. What's even more fascinating, these workers lived in nearby communities, complete with bakeries, breweries, and medical centers, proving they were respected laborers, not enslaved people. So, the pyramids weren't built by magic, but by math, muscle, and incredible human effort. History isn't just stories, it's evidence. Stay curious with No TV.